everyone! Today we're going to teach you how to draw an apple. You will need A4 paper, pencil or pen, crayon or colored pencil. Step 1. Fold your paper in half. Step 2. Fold your paper upwards. Step 3. Turn your paper around. Step 4. Fold your paper upwards again. Step 5. Unfold. Step 6. Draw an upside down semicircle on the top of your paper. Step 7. Draw a stick out of the semicircle. Step 8. Draw a leaf out of the stick. Step 9. Make the ends of the semicircle go outside. Step 10. Make your line keep on going to the bottom bit. Step 11. To connect the bits. Open the flap. Make some waves. Make sure they don't go through the line over here. Fold it. Now you can draw a worm or an ant inside. Color in. Now we can color in our apples. This is an apple. This is an apple. This is a worm. I want to eat the apple, but when I get my hands on it, pop! Pop! Head is that. When I open it, it's a very long worm. A worm.
I think that's the end of our project, right?
Yes. Yes. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator.
Later.
See you later.